Labor rights. Let me tell you something. What Darrell said are true. All them want is the reign of power in this country. And when them get it, them don't care. Them and them tap on our wrist. But we don't want a few tap on our wrist. Every Jamaican man and woman is our tap on our wrist in the Jamaica Labour Party. We are the People's Party. One of the outstanding modern day tourism leader. Easily the best tourism minister in the English-speaking Caribbean. East, Central, St. James, Edmund, Bartlett.
Come let we go.
Labor rights. Some sharp square. Labor rights in some sharp square. What a night. What a night. What a night. 10 days before the right time come when the third term is going to be had. What a night. And all I can see from the north and from the south and from the east and from the west is just labor rights and labor rights and labor rights
and labor rights. One by one, labor going walk them 2 by 2. Third term, my friend, walk them 3 by 3. Best government we run the country.
I want them to know that the days of those people, I call it no name, you know. The days of those people in Cornwall, in St. James, and in Montego Bay is over. And I remember "49 years ago, somebody stood here and see a little crowd and said it was 120,000 strong. But I want to tell him from wherever he is, look down on some short square tonight and tell me about this Labour Party.
We're moving forward and we'll never look back. Yeah, God Almighty, and fight on the right track.
I remember well, campaign chairman. I remember well, deputy leader and deputy, and no, bigger than that, deputy leader and the real street general of the campaign of the Jamaica Labour Party, Desmond Mackenzie. I want to say to Deputy Prime Minister Dr. Horace Chang, and I want to say to the younger ones who have come up after us and have seen tonight that one time it wasn't like this. And when Dr. Chang and I started to put it back, and the first time that we did it in 2002, the man said a dagger has been put to his heart in St. James. And we take 3 seats out of the 4. And we remain the champion of the parish. And from that day to today, Jamaica Labour Party is the dominant champion party in the county of Cornwall and the parish of St. James. And I want them to know that we ain't stopping. Because tonight begins the 10 days of pain and agony for them until the relief come on September 3, when Andrew Michael Holness will be returned for the third term as Prime Minister of Jamaica. But you are not here tonight to only look at what this great leader, the greatest Prime Minister that Jamaica has seen since independence, and thank you Alexander Bustamante, and thank you Hugh Shearer, and thank you Papa Eddie. But Michael Andrew Holness has taken this one to a new dimension. Never before has the economy of Jamaica been this strong. And even in the 60s, when we were getting accolades, and when Lee Wan Q came to Jamaica to see the industrial policy of Robert Lightman and Labour Party government, not even then did we get the kind of world-class accommodation and world-class commendation that the government of Andrew Michael Holness is getting at this time. IMF endorsed me. IDB endorsed me. World Bank endorsed me. Everywhere you go, them endorse me. And everybody is now sending people to Jamaica to study what Michael Andrew Holness has done to make the economy of Jamaica this strong. And I tonight don't have to go through all of it, because some people would like to tell you you're not feeling it. But tell me tonight in Sam Sharp Square if you're feeling the economy of Jamaica. Tell them tonight. And when we travel across the country with the campaign, it's thousands and thousands and thousands of people that come to every meeting and every motorcade and every activity that we do, because they are saying, me feeling it, man, me feeling it, and me feel good, me feel good, me feel good. But tonight, I want to tell you that what we are about is not what you felt already. Is what you're going to feel. Because under this administration and our third term, you hear the manifesto, you went through the manifesto, you see what the plans are, you hear what the programs are. What it says is that you ain't seen nothing yet, because the best is yet to come. And we have taken tourism and put it to a new height. We have built a fortitude, a strength, a resilience around the product that makes it now impossible for them or anybody to turn us back. And we have grown under Michael Holness the tourism industry by 100% in the 9 years that we have been in charge of that industry. We took it with just a little over 2 million visitors. Today we have 4.3 million visitors coming to Jamaica. We're earning just under $2 billion US dollars. Today we are earning 4.5 billion US dollars. What a Andrew Michael Holness. What a JLP government. We have tripled the employment in the industry overall. When we came, we were just about 150,000 all told. Now we are running close to 300,000 people in Jamaica from all walks of life that are involved in the tourism sector. What Andrew Michael Holness. And our manifesto says it all. We have a powerful 18-point strategy for the continued growth of this industry. And when you go through the manifesto, you will see that the interest of the workers is at paramount in that constitutional arrangement which we have responsibility for. We are going to use a combination of legislative and regulatory arrangements to support the hard work that has been done to build the industry, to enable the workers of the industry to get a better reward for the efforts and the good service that they provide. We will develop a program that we're going to call Local First. You know what that means? It means we, the people of Jamaica, will have first call on all the supply requirements for tourism. And how are you going to do that? You're going to do that by building the capacity of all of you who are creatives to add value and to do more. So we are going to be making the little farmer in St. Elizabeth produce more. And the Minister of Agriculture is working with us to make sure that that happens. The farmers in Trelawney, the hairbreaders, the liquor man with the straw work, the good cook shop across the road, and all the little people who provide services for tourism. We are going to ensure, one, that you are trained and developed. Two, that we provide funding for you. And three, that we provide marketing arrangements for you. Are we using digital marketing? So that on your phone, you can be contacting the hotel. Right now, farmers are doing it. They go on the phone, they talk to the purveyors at the hotel. They tell them about the fresh fruits. They pay for it on the phone and they deliver it to them in the hotels. Never before has anything like that been happening. But housing for tourism workers is the biggest part of this new plan. And we have put together already $500 million Jamaican dollars. I set up the website already. We start interviewing already. And we're going to start to provide loan support to the workers of the tourism industry so that they can own a home of their own. The JUTA and the ground transportation group, I could call all of them, suffering now, and we understand. But we are developing with our partners a new program and a new deal for the ground transportation. This business of buying park is an abomination and we are going to stop it. In the new administration, and we're dealing with moving to make sure you can take home more pay. So we're removing the tax from tips and gratuities. And we're training now. We're training the workers of the industry. Those of you who are good at what you do. You can cook good. You do a good job in housekeeping. You do a good job in supervising. But because you don't have a certificate, them now give you no promotion. Well, we are coming to the hotel. We are going to certify you and give you the opportunity to move up in the business. Already, 20,000 workers have been certified. I wonder if you see the vision. I wonder if you see why the third term is critical. We already set up in motion your pension plan. No government has ever put $1 billion in the fund to say to you, if you are 59 years old and you only have 5 more years or 6 more years to work before you retire, we will give you a pension equivalent to what you would get if you started paying at 18 years old. What a government! What a government! And finally, just to make sure you understand what the deal is for the workers, every new investor that comes to Jamaica, and you see more hotels go up now like ever, not true? In the last 3 weeks, Prime Minister and I broke ground for $3.5 billion of new investment in the tourism industry. More hotel rooms, more jobs, more construction work. No government, and I just want you to know this, no government facing an election within 3 weeks of the election day has that level of confidence in the investment community that they can put $3.5 billion of their money into Jamaica with a prime minister that is facing an election. What a confidence! What a confidence! And so as I close, I want you to know that the future is there for you. Andrew, Michael, Holness, and the Jamaica Labour Party, we set the wicket for a perfect batting strip. Come on, September 3. Get to the wicket, start to score, and put back Andrew, Michael, Holness, and the Jamaica Labour Party as government of Jamaica. God bless you, Labour Right. God bless you.
Do so much already, now we do it.
Thank you. And now, let's welcome General Secretary of the Jamaica Labour Party, none other than the greatest National Security Minister, Dr. the Honorable Horace Chang.
Them no inna my leg, no inna my leg. Them I put a little bit of money up, I reach somewhere, and that's them I lead. No inna my leg.
Labour